Puducherry has achieved a major breakthrough in livestock management with the birth of its first IVF calf in Kanvapet village. Using in vitro fertilized embryo transfer, that is IVF-ET technology, this initiative aims to produce high-yield cattle with superior genetics. The Animal Husbandry Department targets 500 elite cattle in Puducherry and Karaikal, with each cow expected to produce 5,000 liters per lactation. The project, supported by the Rashtriya Gokul Mission, has reported a 25% of success rate, higher than the national average. The cost of IVF-ET is 21,000 rupees per cow, but farmers benefit from 5,000 rupees from central government and the rest 16,000 rupees from the Puducherry government. This technology not only enhances milk production but also preserves indigenous breeds and uplift rural farmers. Will IVF transform India's dairy sector? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Iptoma IAS.